Hi! We're gonna make a Christmas DIY star that's going to be layered, and this tutorial is brought to you by Papemelroti. It's going to be an easy project and it's fun to do with the whole family. You can use this star to decorate your home, your window, your Christmas tree, and you can attach it on sticks and the children can wave it around like a magic wand. So it's a lot of fun to make and use. First, you have to have some paper. You need to have 4 equally sized square. So cut to square size. We used the scratch paper here just to start practicing how to make the star. You want to be able to know how to do it first before you use your colored paper like red or shiny paper, so as not to waste the paper. You can try to use scratch paper first like we used in this video. So all you need to do is to have 4 square sized paper of the same size, and you can cut them all at once. And then you need to fold them into triangles and be aware of the direction of the fold so that you don't get the cutting incorrectly. Now we provided a guide that you can just save on our blog, so we'll provide the link below. So there's a tricky part in making this, but you'll get the hang of it fast enough. You just need to know where to cut in half, starting at the bottom center portion, just like this. So once you have that kind of sharp triangle shape, you can now cut the designs. And the design that you're going to cut will come out at the center portion of the star. Now just cut neatly, and then when you unfold you can see the designs. So it would be nice if you can experiment with different designs for your stars, and it would be fun to have, like, you can use a puncher to make more holes and just experiment with different kinds of designs. So we just use a very simple heart design for this particular star. So when you have the 4 pieces, you can now attach it together with just a little bit of masking tape. We like masking tape because if you want to store your decoration, you can just remove it easily without it making any mark on the paper, and then you can just reattach it the next Christmas time and reuse it so it doesn't get wasted. So just put the masking tape on the pointed edges of the stars. You don't have to use a lot of masking tape. And try not to crinkle the star. This is a very easy project to make, and it has a nice 3D effect to it. So we hope you enjoyed this project, and we'll catch you later. Have a wonderful Advent and Christmas season. Bye!